Number 1. Sage BML-37. Presenting remarkable creation showcased at the SHOT Show. Specifically in 2014, we have a semi-automatic grenade launcher that commands attention. Boasting a caliber of 37mm, this model distinguishes itself by not relying on gas operation. Instead, the trigger mechanism is responsible for both extracting spent rounds and loading new ones, requiring the use of 2 fingers for operation. A box magazine accompanies the launcher, offering 6 slots to accommodate various types of projectiles. Number 2. Bushmaster Arm Pistol. In the 1970s, an intriguing experiment took place, resulting in the development of the Bushmaster Arm Pistol. This unique firearm emerged as a derivative of the ANP-221 submachine gun, initially commissioned by the U.S. Air Force to serve as a self-defense weapon for pilots. However, despite receiving several prototypes, the military ultimately abandoned the concept. Rather than discarding the project entirely, the Bushmaster Arm Pistol was brought to life. Remarkably, it not only reached completion but also entered production, catering to civilian markets until the late 1980s. Weighing approximately 4.3 pounds, this pistol utilized 5.56 by 45mm NATO ammunition, with the magazines compatible with those commonly used in the AR-15 and M16 firearms. Number 3. Henry U.S. AR-7. Gun enthusiasts are likely familiar with the renowned AR-7 rifle, a firearm that has withstood the test of time since its creation in the 1950s. What accounts for its enduring popularity? The answer lies in the meticulous attention to detail. Originally designed as a survival weapon for Air Force pilots, the AR-7's unique features are a testament to its intended purpose. It consists of merely 4 components, with the buttstock serving as a storage compartment for the other 3 parts, facilitating easy transportation. The modern iteration of the AR-7 is equipped with an 8-round 22R magazine and weighs a mere 3.5 pounds. The manufacturer touts the rifle's appeal to hikers, adventurers, and hunters alike, emphasizing its versatility and reliability. With prices starting at $250, the AR-7 remains a trusted companion for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable firearm. Number 4. Mini 5 Kit. The Glock pistol series holds a prestigious position in the firearms market, establishing itself as the dominant force. Consequently, Glock firearms frequently make appearances at various gun shows and serve as prime candidates for customization and upgrades. These guns are highly modifiable, with enthusiasts able to transform their firearms with the aid of a kit priced at just $1,300. The modifications offered in this kit include an expanded magazine, a more ergonomic buttstock, and the addition of optics. With these enhancements, shooters can effectively engage targets at distances reaching up to 299 feet. Number 5. Blade Runner Blaster. The movie Blade Runner has attained iconic status, captivating audiences with its exploration of humans and replicants. Throughout the protagonist Rick Deckard's journey, he wields the Blaster Pro, a weapon that continues to be replicated even 4 decades after the original film's release. Thus, it would be remiss not to include it in our selection. One version of the Blaster Pro draws inspiration from the Charter Arms Bulldog revolver chambered in .44 Magnum. Its creator emphasizes its exceptional quality, assuring users that it is devoid of any plastic components. On the other hand, an alternative rendition incorporates plastic and polymer resin, resulting in an aesthetically pleasing display piece. Number 6. Arc Flash Labs EMG-02 Coil Gun. Presenting an intriguing coil gun shooter, a favorite subject among enthusiasts well-versed in such weaponry. This particular model hails from a team based in the United States and commands an impressive price of $2,515. So, what sets this offering apart for potential customers? Notably, the manufacturing company was established by two former U.S. Air Force officers renowned for their extensive expertise in aerospace engineering. Consequently, this weapon surpasses the expectations set by many fictional counterparts. It boasts a remarkable firing rate of up to 13 rounds per second, propelling projectiles at speeds of up to 246 feet per second. Number 7. Coil Accelerator K09. An alternative to the previously mentioned coil gun, we have a remarkable railgun available at a lower price point of just $1,600. The manufacturers express confidence in this affordability, stating that these railguns are selling so rapidly that they are struggling to keep up with assembly demands. Weighing a mere 7 pounds, this model boasts an effective range of approximately 40 feet. With a single charge, users can fire up to 500 shots, while the overall battery lifespan spans an impressive 50,000 shots. However, it is important to note that the battery cannot be replaced by the user and must be serviced by a specialist. Number 8. FDM L5. Unveiled at the 2018 SHOT Show, the largest trade exhibition for shooting enthusiasts worldwide. We have an intriguing rifle known as the FDM L5. It has garnered attention from publications, with some even speculating about the interest it may have garnered from the U.S. Army. Notably, this rifle employs a unique form of ammunition that can be described as caseless, albeit with distinct differences. The ammunition consists of metal charge blocks, each housing 5 bullets. With a magazine capacity of 6 blocks, the rifle can hold a total of 30 bullets. As each block is expended, it is set aside and a fresh one takes its place. Number 9. FAT-MAIT-C 950 JDA. Introducing a remarkable firearm from SSK Industries, known for producing an extraordinary range of weaponry. The company proudly presents their latest creation, a rifle that claims the title of the world's largest caliber. This impressive firearm weighs between 77 and 119 pounds and is designed to fire the formidable 950 JDJ 24.1 by 75mm cartridges. The projectiles themselves possess a substantial mass of approximately 8 ounces, surpassing the weight of an iPhone 14 Plus. As of 2015, a single cartridge carried a price tag of $60. Number 10. APS Thor. APS Thor is a popular grenade launcher among airsoft enthusiasts, commonly used in the sport. It is interesting to note that airsoft is said to have originated in Japan after World War II, where post-war regulations prevented the use of real automatic weapons. Instead, the Japanese utilized toys for training purposes. Today, airsoft has evolved into a fully fledged sport in both Japan and the United States. According to sellers, the launcher incorporates a trigger mechanism that boosts shooting efficiency by 150%,